Hey guys, it's me, Sophie from the 6th team on Angel's channel is Dance Mom. So I'm doing this first time in this channel, Dance Moms. Oh my gee, I'm so excited. So let's get started. I'm so happy, really happy because I'm playing a football many things. I'm playing football, volleyball, and running. But I'm really tired. I'm just gonna have a nap. Ooh, a letter from Dance Moms to Sophie. Dear Sophie, you're invited to Dance Mom. So if you want to join, the audition is on 4 p.m. All you need to do is prepare your dance, this letter, so audition now. So remember, dance and smile, join now. Dance Moms? Oh my gee! Dance Moms. I'm gonna have to prepare my lipstick or others. Yeah. So, let's prepare our dance. Later that time, when the 3:39 came, oh my gee, 3:39. Yes, 3:39 is the best time because it's having 4 p.m. So let's go to the Dance Moms now. I'm here. Oh, I'm only one here. No people. Yes, I'm gonna just sit down. Excuse me, ma'am, you're for here for the Dance Moms? Yes. It's starting. Yes, because we're just starting today. So, now you can go. So, bring your laptop and your dancer prepared. Yes, I'm prepared. Go for me. Let's go. Here's the letter. Prepare your dance and the letter. Okay, first your letter. Now, be confident. Inhale and exhale. Okay? Okay. I will now start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm done. Now introduce yourself. I'm Angel Jane. Me, sister, and I'm Sophie, sister of Angel. Yeah, I'm doing it. I just wanna to audition this Dance Moms because I love really Dance Moms, and Dance Moms is my favorite movie. And this is true. Dance with Smile. Thanks for that Dance with Smile. I dance with smile. I'm confident to myself. I have respect and please let me join this Dance Moms. So I'm Sophie. Remember, dance with smile. Join now, Dance Moms. Whoa, that is have a company. You're in. Yes, yes, yes. Remember, later we'll have our dance. Okay? Okay. Yes, I have now an inspiration dance moms. Now for all who had now in dance moms, please come in now for our new dance, and I'm your teacher Olivia. No. So I'm your teacher Olivia, so our dance will be K-pop, so here we go. Dance now. Boo, boo, boo. Oh, whoa, teacher Olivia, I can do it. Are you sure? You have a dance K-pop? Yeah, I'm something has just little bit too not understand to my dance, but sometimes some is not being dance for me or dance, so I will dance it. Whoa, I like your dance. Thanks, teacher Olivia. Okay, guys. So, please present your dance for the K-pop. Any dance, just K-pop. So, first we will go to Sophie. Okay. I'll dance like there. For first, I dance from a while ago. So, go. Whoa, Sophie, that is really have confident. Dance with smile. Good. Now, who will be the next? Me, I will be my next. I am Krisha, and I will do, and I will do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, 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 Krisha, it's so funny. Next, please. So I decide Sophie to go in Dance Mom's class. So please watch this is Olivia. Bye.